Stomach with gin. Probably not the best idea.
Oh, I love it. Ended of my Hindi teacher who didn't look like a potato in school. Onion? Sorry, आलू आलू कर रहे हैं.
Sorry.
एपिसोड है.
Aloo bhaji.
Now you guys try this. Oh, try.
Greater than the greatest of all time.
One day at office, guys, we take our work very seriously.
Super seriously.
Hi guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel for another session of R&D. I'm Aisha, Greater Than's brand manager, and I'm joined with AP,
Who is the janitor here? I am the janitor.
our co-founder and creative director,
Things up, firefighting every day with these fine peeps.
with fine gin. And today, what are we reviewing and pairing our gin with?
We are getting fried, like with eating good fried stuff.
When I think of a fried item to have with gin, I'm thinking French fries and possibly like a samosa. But I think for today's aloo
Count me in
episode,
for that one. Aloo.
episode,
Aloo,
I'm
I
quite
think, is
excited.
one of those perfect ingredients that can
Yeah.
be had in any way, right?
yes. Should we get our
that?
first glass of gin and tonic?
Yeah, we will be very kind to production because that's who we are.
Unlike the other people who have been here
Yeah.
before.
सुन तो फिर दरवाजे पे खड़ी हो। प्रोडक्शन बातें नहीं, हाथ चलाओ। प्रोडक्शन से काम हो नहीं पा रहा आज, मुझे लग नहीं रहा।
Dirty spoon.
Good stuff.
Please.
I love making gin and tonics because that's the only thing I'm good at.
Bartending skills 101.
Ooh, proud of you, Aisha.
Cheers.
You know how to squeeze a lime.
So now that we have our gin and tonic, let's move on to the first snack which we have.
Which one is that? Ooh,
Good old vada pav.
So the way to go about this is to basically take a bite and then have a sip, and then we review.
Yeah.
Right?
Let's try one without the
Without
chutney
it
and then one
okay.
with chutney.
I can't do spice, but okay, let's hope for the best. 1, 2, 3, go.
The vada pav is bango actually. Now
Have this with one sip.
I think there's also a lot going on inside, right? The aloo, you have some spice, you have a very
Yeah.
thick bread.
But I want to just literally eat this and this together.
Let's try that. Let's also try that with the chili.
Yeah,
Do you eat
with the chili.
Probably not the best idea.
Oh, I love it.
But I will say that this is much better than having it with the pav.
Yeah.
But it's still too much for me.
Yeah. It's a mouthful.
Yeah, like
And it's like a little too dry.
the gin and tonic cuts through the spice,
Yeah.
so then that makes it more appetizing
Vada pav is
for me.
middle, maybe no for me. But vada pav ka jo vada hai and the chili is
It's still this for me. It's too spicy.
I'm going to continue finishing this because it's really good, and also I haven't had lunch. I'm going to have basically aloo lunch.
Yeah, and then by the end, on an empty stomach with gin. Fun day at office, guys. We take our work very seriously. Okay, so now let's move on to dish number 2. Surprise us, production.
Ooh, that looks good.
Some
What is this?
hot, crisp
Aloo
onion
pakoda.
bhajia.
Onion, sorry, aloo.
bhajia.
Aloo कर रहे हैं.
Sorry.
Aloo का episode है.
Aloo bhajia.
Onion का नहीं है.
Sorry. At least mine has a good crunch.
Yeah. So does mine. Wow.
I'm actually quite liking this because it has some masala on the top, which is not too overpowering as well.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of this. I'm craving rajma chawal more than gin and tonic with this.
1, 2, 3.
No, no.
For me, it's still fine. I think even with chutney, it might taste a little better.
Yeah. You think chutney might uplift it?
Possibly.
Yeah, I think no. I
So,
don't think
no
it
go
works
for you?
me. No.
Meanwhile, I've almost finished a full bhajia.
Yeah, you can have the whole thing, यार. तूने lunch नहीं किया ना, लग रहा है. Okay. सारा spill
Some
कर दिया.
aggression.
Production ने तो.
So next up, I think this is a crowd favorite. Good old samosa. This is the main character.
Main character. Of
let's-
course, they are both main characters.
Yeah. Dunk it in some chutney.
Chutney.
This time we have tamarind chutney.
Salt.
In my opinion, this till now has been the best combo. I think the crispiness of the samosa, it's also hot with that, the tamarind chutney.
And I think the coriander seeds also gives a really refreshing taste in the samosa.
Yeah.
And the gin and tonic really uplifts it
Yeah,
further.
complements it really, really well.
Yeah. Do you know what are the 2 staple ingredients in all the gins around the world?
I mean, seeing that I'm the brand manager, I think this is a test and I know the answer.
Tell me.
Juniper and
Yes.
coriander seed.
Can you believe it? Coriander seeds.
I think with that, I'm also done with my drink.
So am I. I finished it a while back because of that vada pav chili.
1, 2, 3. Definitely to have compared with your
It's a
gin and tonic.
really good
Match.
Really good match. Superb. ये
Oh, okay, ये भी है. Gen Z behavior. So now, while we move on to our next snack, I have a few questions for you.
Okay.
I have a few potato-related questions.
Ooh, cute.
Yeah.
Okay.
Why did the potato become a teacher?
I just suddenly was reminded of my Hindi teacher who didn't look like a potato when I was in school. I don't know. Tell me.
Because it was great at hashing out problems.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. What did the potato say when it ran into an old friend?
I would like to French you.
What?
No. It's been a long time, Spud.
Oh, but these are so cute. I thought they will be a little risky.
Why did the potato become a detective?
Why?
It was great at peeling back the layers.
Oh.
That's all for our jokes section. Now moving back to food. Woo, let's get the next one. That reminds me of my childhood.
And even my son's friend's birthday party.
Crispy. Or as nowadays they say crispy.
Oh, is that why you were telling us those bad jokes?
Yeah.
Oh,
For a
because of
smiley.
smiley. Yeah, okay, cute.
Okay, we take a sip.
Oh.
This is amazing. Like giving a little aloo pakoda vibes. But because it's so crispy, actually
you
I
are keep
really
eating
like
it.
it.
Yeah.
You
I
can't
love it.
stop at just one.
But I think you will not stop eating smiley because of nostalgia.
But I feel like for a home, like house party scene, this is like your go-to. But let's get to the rating of this. 1,
Okay.
2, 3. That's a good to have for
Good
me.
to have, yeah.
Also, growing up, I have to say that since I'm a little picky about what food I eat, aloo has been one of my top most all-time favorite go-to vegetable.
Aloo beans, aloo
Aloo
methi.
Aloo paratha.
What more aloo stuff do we eat at home every day?
Tell us in the comments, guys. We have already thought of samosa, aloo paratha, vada pav, bhajia,
Aloo puri.
puri, everything.
Yeah.
I think it's the most versatile
Super.
vegetable.
No.
Just like
Yeah.
our greater than gin.
Just
most
like-
versatile.
Greater than the greatest of all time.
One
Cheers to that.
Cheers. Now with that, let's move on to I think our last aloo item. Save the best for the last.
Best one. Best.
We have a global favorite. Fries.
French fries.
French fries with a little bit of salt on top of it.
That's a great
This is another match made in heaven. It's too good.
Yeah, too good.
Now you guys try with this.
Ooh.
Oh, fries.
Hey.
What? But we have a special martini edition as well.
Wow, I haven't had a martini for so long.
Actually, this with the martini also tastes equally well, if not a little better than the gin and tonic.
This actually is a really good combination.
Yeah.
And this martini is made so well. With the GNT,
I think it was good, but like kind of okay, fun.
Yeah, it's like this.
Almost there.
almost there. But
Yeah.
with a martini,
It's a definitely must pair. Yeah.
editor, please throw a lot of gold confetti at this moment.
I think this with the martini, and also have to give a shout out to the samosa and gin and tonic.
Samosa
combo.
and gin and tonic was a great
combo as well
Yeah,
worked
I
really
think
well.
that's a superb combo.
Yeah. But yeah, having said that, that brings us to the end of this edition of R&D. And yes, if you like the video, give
Go
us
have some French fries and martinis.
Yes, and give us a like, share our content, and drop a comment with what you would want us to do next.
And subscribe.
And subscribe.
Listen to the lady.
All right, see
Thank you.
while we go and drink some more.
Yeah, what are you doing?
Now I'm spoiled for choices: a martini or a gin and tonic. Okay, thank you guys. See you soon. Bye.
Bye. Oh, we have to get up also and go.